Lash lifting operation. Protect client's hair with a scarf and drape a towel to protect clothing. Sanitize your hands. Remove any traces of makeup using an oil-free makeup remover and a clean cotton pad. Comb through the lashes using a disposable mascara wand. Put the mascara wand to the side for later in the treatment. Place a collagen pad under each eye, ensuring clients' bottom lashes are secured under them. Choose the appropriate shields, trimming to fit as required. Apply bonder to the back of the shield and place in position on the eyelid close to the root. Hold in place for 20 seconds. Apply bonder to shield in small sections and lift the lashes from the root using the lash tool and attach them to the shield. Gradually move along the shield until all lashes are bonded to the shields. Please make sure the lashes stand properly, not stick together. Apply a small amount of lash lifting cream from root to the center of the lashes using a micro applicator. Thinner, shorter, or tinted lashes 6 to 8 minutes. Thicker, longer lashes 8 to 12 minutes. Using a clean micro applicator to remove excess cream. Apply a small amount of neutralizing lotion from root to center of lashes using a micro applicator. Thinner, shorter, and tinted lashes 5 minutes. Thick and long lashes 6 minutes. Using a clean micro applicator to remove excess cream. Apply moisturizing serum over the lashes using a clean micro applicator. Gently releasing the lashes from the shield. Gently releasing the shield from the eye, use a clean cotton bud to remove excess serum from the eyelid. Remove under eye patches and comb lashes up using a mascara wand.